In this video, I'll show you how to change language in the Revolut app, step by step. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. You can also set up a free Revolut account using the affiliate link in the description. Changing the language on Revolut makes the app easier to navigate and helps ensure you understand all features and options clearly. It enhances the user experience by allowing you to interact in your preferred language. To change the language setting in the Revolut app, simply follow these easy steps. First, locate and open the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, you'll need to access your profile to make adjustments. Look toward the top left corner of the screen, where you'll find a small profile icon. Tap on it to enter your profile settings. Inside your profile settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Appearance. Tap on Appearance to bring up a menu that allows you to customize various display settings within the app. In the Appearance menu, you'll notice an option called Language. Tap on this to enter the language settings page. Once there, you'll see a prompt that says, "Take me there." Tap on this prompt to continue, which will take you to a new screen where 3 language options are displayed. Simply browse through these language options and select the one that best suits you. After choosing your preferred language, the app will update automatically to reflect the new language setting. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in the Revolut app, allowing you to navigate in the language of your choice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. And remember, you can sign up for a free Revolut account through my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.